Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sennheiser headphones with your Android phone. So first of all, you have to click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking blue and red. There we go. Right now you have to release that button. And then go to the Bluetooth settings on your Android device, click to pair new device, select your HD 250 Bluetooth, accept the pairing. There we go, and right now you have to open the Play Store. On the search pool you have to type Sennheiser. We have to get this application, the Sennheiser Smart Control, so let's get it. And right now let's open it. Click maybe later, accept and skip all this first steps. We don't need actually this information. Accept the Bluetooth, and as you can see we are successfully connected right now thanks to the previous connection from the standard Bluetooth settings. That's all for this video, hope you like it.